Welcome. Today we'll learn how to view all open windows simultaneously on Windows 10 and 11. There are several methods to do this, and I'll show you the most useful ones. The first method is using the Task View button. Look at your taskbar. You'll see a button that shows multiple rectangles overlapping. This is the Task View button. Simply click this button and all your open windows will be displayed on screen. The second method is using a keyboard shortcut. Press the Windows key plus tab on your keyboard. This does exactly the same thing as clicking the Task View button. The third method is Windows key plus D. This shortcut minimizes all windows to show your desktop. Press it again to restore all windows to their previous positions. The fourth method, which is quite fun, is called Arrow Shake. Click and hold the title bar of any window, then shake it back and forth quickly. This will minimize all other windows. Shake again to restore them. And those are the main methods for viewing all windows in Windows 10 and 11. Remember, Task View button, Windows plus tab, Windows plus D, or Arrow Shake. Try them out and see which one works best for you.